In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live in a Circle.so community. Live streaming can be a powerful way to engage with your community, providing real-time interaction and sharing valuable insights. Let me walk you through the process, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open your space in Circle.so. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new event. This is where you can start setting up your live stream. You'll see a button labeled Create Event. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu should appear, giving you different event types to choose from. For live streaming, naturally, you'll want to select Livestream. Now that you've got the basic framework for your event, it's time to fill in the details. You'll need to enter some key information to let your community know what your live stream is all about. Start with a catchy title that clearly outlines the topic or purpose of your session. This will be the first thing your audience sees, so make it engaging. Next, set the date and time for your live stream, ensuring it's scheduled when your community is most active or available. Finally, add a description providing a brief overview of what to expect during the live stream. This helps build anticipation and gives attendees a reason to tune in. With your event details in place, the next step is to set the visibility for your live stream. Depending on your audience and the nature of your content, you can opt to make it visible only to your attendees, to the entire community, or even open it up to the public. If you select attendees, only those you manually invite will be able to join. Choosing community will enable all members of your circle, so space to see and attend the event. Selecting public opens it up even further, allowing anyone with a link to view your live stream. Once you've decided on the visibility level, make sure to save your settings. Don't forget that if you need to, you can easily share the link to your event with others. This is particularly useful if you're trying to reach a broader audience or invite special guests. Finally, the big moment arrives. It's time to actually start your live stream. At the scheduled date and time, navigate back to your event. You'll find it listed in your events section. Simply click on it and you'll be taken to the live stream setup interface. This is where all your preparation pays off. You can engage directly with your community, answer questions in real time, and provide the valuable content you've promised. That's it. You're now ready to host a successful live event in Circle. So remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try a few test runs if you're new to live streaming. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with your live stream.